Hey guys, what's going on? Coming at you with a Wednesday morning video. I post daily, obviously 9 a.m. videos. Before I get into this video, make sure you like and subscribe, comment below. Really trying to get the 500 subs by the end of this month, so if you do so, it's much appreciated. So today I want to talk about something a little different. I'm not really talking about a per se stock. Obviously I put up my video Monday morning on stocks to watch this week, so definitely keep them all in mind. But today I just want to talk about it just being a red day and what's next or what to expect today and Thursday and Friday. So yesterday it was red in the Dow, NASDAQ, and S&P 500. Started out green and then it kind of went neutral, then it went red at the end of the day. My thoughts on, well, why I did this is obvious. I mean, tomorrow they're reporting really what they're going to do with inflation, and they're going to basically say how they're going to proceed. So I guess there's a lot of uncertainty in the market on what they're really going to say, or maybe people are like, oh my God, they're going to say they're going to raise rates. Obviously, if they raise rates and they say, you know, they want to address the inflation or something like that, what that's going to do is it's going to make people panic and pull out of the market as for like a short-term thing. So I really think that's kind of why people are getting out now before they announce what happens tomorrow. However, it could go the other way around. They could still say they're on course and, you know, really just be like, okay, yeah, we're talking about it, but we're not really going to do it sooner than we thought. You know, so really how you got to look at it is the market tries predicting things 6 months to a year and a half out. So people are trying to price, you know, this whole inflation thing and how bad it's going to be and what it really looks like, because depending on who you watch or what you listen, some analysts say, oh, there's inflation coming, and some analysts say, no, well, there really isn't any inflation and it's not really going to be like that, so no need to worry. So tomorrow, Jerome Powell is probably, you know, he's going to say what their course is and, you know, how they're going to proceed. My personal opinion, I don't think they're going to lower or raise rates or move quicker than what they thought. I think they're going to let, you know, this whole thing play its course. Obviously, a month or two ago in the pandemic, obviously, if you look year to date, the inflation's going to look really bad. But if you look month over month, it's really, it's actually going down. So that's kind of how you got to look at it. Don't get all caught up because like the big headlines say, oh my God, inflation year to date is 4 or 5%. Like, yeah, that's a lot. You know, usually you want to be sub 2%. But really how you got to look at it is you got to look year to date or month to month, excuse me. So like in April, it was 0.08. Then in May, it was 0.06. So maybe in June, it's going to be 0.04, 0.05. So technically the inflation is going down. So that's where people get confused. They just look at the big picture year to date and the big number being like, oh my God, so much money was printed and oh my God, the inflation of year to date is so bad. But you can't look at it that way. It's kind of confusing. If you really dive into it, don't look month to month or month to month, it's not that bad. So my guess is I think Jerome Powell is going to say tomorrow in the afternoon, say, you know, basically that they're still on course. They're going to hold rates until the end of 2022 and start raising them in 2023. So if that's the case, obviously the market's probably going to keep running, to be honest. I mean, it's going to keep going up. However, if he says we're going to do it sooner than what we thought, like the wording is very important, obviously, what they say. So sooner than what they thought means they're going to raise probably before the end of 2022. That could be in the next 3 months, 6 months, or even a year. But the market, from when they last talked about this, they're pricing in end of 2022 into 2023. So keep that in mind. You know, it really depends on what they say. But, you know, how I'm going to approach it is I have a lot of cash on the sideline. I got 25% right now. So if they do say they're going to raise rates quicker and things do sell off and panic, well, I will be buying Thursday and Friday for sure. I'm going to take advantage of some deals or some companies that I like for long-term with good fundamentals. So that's what I'm going to do. If they say they're going to keep on par with their, you know, what they're doing now, I'll probably just hold my positions and just wait for good opportunities and like basically buy on little mini dips because, you know, that's kind of where the market's going to go. So this is one main reason why I'm a long-term investor. If you're doing day trading options or short-term trading or even on margin, like it's so sketchy because like what if you can't really predict what he's going to say? Like, what is he going to say today? Like, is he going to say it's going to go up or down? Like, you could talk to 10 different people, you're going to get 10 different answers. So that's why I really don't like the short-term or day trading stuff, because you can't predict it. You're literally guessing on what you think he's gonna say. And I don't really like that. But if you do long-term investing, you have good companies with good fundamentals. If it goes down due to short-term fear, just buy. And then when it comes back, it will come back eventually. Like inflation will get worked out one way or another. So that's how you gotta kind of look at it. It might take a year, it might take 2, it might take 3. But guess what? When you get past that point, you're gonna be in a better position than where you're at. You're just buying at a discount basically. So that's kind of my thoughts. This is a video I didn't talk about a per se stock today, but I kind of just wanted to test this out and see if you guys like this. If not, you know, I won't make this again, and lesson learned. So that's all I got. Again, trying to get the 500 subs. If you like this video, you know, just hit the subscribe button, obviously, and till tomorrow, peace.